this is why digital ID is so dangerous, especially when combined with one login. You are essentially creating one big fat giant lever that can be pulled at any given time. So historically, where access to things like our passport information, our bank accounts, our medical records, they've all been separate and only been able to be accessed by certain bodies or companies, depending on where that data sits, who owns it, and how it's protected. But we're seeing more and more walls being removed between government services, between governments and banks, between, for example, HMRC and being able to dip into your bank account. All of these walls being removed is consolidating a huge amount of data on every single individual in a place that can be accessed by them at any given time by the government and its influencers, and then pretty much have us by the balls, coerce us into any kind of behaviour or decision that they see fit, because if we don't, we risk being switched off.